This is Dr. Ananjan Mishra, Dean Research and Development, GNU IT. So today we have started the Smart India Hackathon of GNU IT, and the participant of this competition will participate in All India Smart India Hackathon 2021. So I would like to request our director sir to say a few words.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So on this platform related to the Smart India Hackathon, I wish to extend my best wishes to all the participants and the students. And definitely this type of the activities are compulsory for any engineers. I will share my two of my real life example that why such type of the projects are compulsory. When I graduated in 1993, my first interview was with the HFCL, Himachal Futuristic Communication Limited. And during my technical interview, they asked me that, have you done any project during your BTech? So I did one very small project as I am an electronics engineer. So in radio engineering, there are very two small circuits, pre-emphasis and de-emphasis. So I basically utilized that circuits and made one project. So during my interview, they only discussed with me about only those projects. That is pre-emphasis and de-emphasis. The first question was that please draw the circuit diagram. Only 3 to 4 components are required in each circuit. Then the second question was, please explain the circuit. And the third question was, what are the applications of the circuit? And as I myself did that project by my own hands, so I was very much comfortable in explaining those projects to the interviewer. And I got selected. The second incident which I would like to share. I started my own small scale industry in Ambala. And we were manufacturing the overhead projectors at that time. And there was some problem in the overhead projector at that time. There was a design problem. उसका बल्ब बड़ी जल्दी फ्यूज हो जाता था, फिलामेंट जो है गर्म होता था और बल्ब फ्यूज हो जाता था. So that was a problem with all the models which were available in the Ambala at that time. तो मैंने उसमें सिर्फ दो चीजें करी. एक तो मैंने ट्विन बल्ब लगा दिए उसमें, so that if any bulb can get fused, तो immediately आप चेंज ओवर करके सेकंड बल्ब को आप इनकॉर्पोरेट कर सकते हैं. एंड सेकंड थिंग व्हिच आई डिड, मैंने उन बल्ब के नीचे एक स्प्रिंग लगा दिए, मैंने कुशनिंग कर दी उनकी बेसिकली. सो दैट स्प्रिंग एक्ट्स एज अ शॉक ऑब्जर्वर. That means little things when we made projects give us new innovations. So I would like to urge my students that please do these projects very carefully, as these projects will change your life forever. So with these words and wishes, I end and again extend my warm wishes to all the participants and the organizers. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for inspiring students. Now I want to tell something about the IIC cell. Ministry of Human Resource and Development, Government of India has established MHRD. Yatin sir, kindly mute yourself. So, respected director sir, Dean Academics sir, HOD CSE sir, HOD ME sir, HOD EC ma'am, and all other HODs, I want to tell about the IIC cell. So Ministry of Human Resource and Development, MHRD, Government of India has established MHRD Innovation Cell to systematically foster the culture of innovation among all higher education institutions. The primary mandate of MIC is to encourage, inspire, and nurture young students by supporting them to work with new ideas and transform them into prototypes while they are in formative years. In the view of the above, GNYT has started Innovation, Incubation and Startup Council. The main focus of IISc is to create a vibrant local innovation ecosystem, a startup supporting mechanism in HEIs, prepare institute for Atal ranking of institutions on innovation achievement framework, establish function ecosystem for shouting ideas and pre-incubation of ideas, develop better cognitive ability among students. Functions of IISc are to conduct various innovations, IPR and entrepreneurship related activities prescribed by Central MIC in time-bound fashion, identify and reward innovation and share success stories, organize periodically workshops, seminars, interactive with entrepreneurship, investors, professionals, and create a mentor pool for students, innovators, network with peer and national entrepreneurship development organizations, create an institution's innovation portal to highlight innovative projects carried out by institutions, faculty and students, organize hackathons, idea competition and mini challenges, etc. with the involvement of industries. Various centers at GNYT are MSME Business Incubation Center, MSME Design Center, Institution Innovation Center, Entrepreneurship Development Cell. Major focus of IISc is to develop the Center of Excellences, startups, entrepreneurship centers for students. Various students bodies are Idea Club, Innovation Club, Startup Club and IPR Club. So students, this is basically the research based system, and we want that our students can become the entrepreneurship and they can start their own work like the doctors and CS can do their own work. Now I would like to invite HOD EC Dr. Sheligar ma'am to say a few words about the hackathon. Ma'am.
A very good afternoon, respected Director Sir, Dean Research and Development Dr. Anuranjan Sir, HODs of various departments, faculty members, the organizers of this event, and the most enthusiastic members who are the team members, who are the students who are taking part in this hackathon event. A very warm welcome to all of you, and I would like to thank Dr. for how I feel to have this competition in the institute. Well, dear students, I must say that this is a wonderful opportunity for you all to explore the world that is working around you. A lot of technologies are revolving and we need to learn and explore each of the technology. And that can be done only through such platforms, through such competitions where you can innovate things, where you can design things. Hackathon has interesting in it. There's a word called hack. So I hope you please do not take it about the breaching computer society or any other world. It is actually about exploration. Whatever techniques are around you, whatever programming features are available around you are to be explored. And that is the meaning of hack here. Now this hackathon intends to develop in you, to inculcate in you the best of the spirits, to design projects, to innovate things. We have got focus in two directions. First direction would be, we would be able to have competent teams who have just to do things, just to make things happen. The first objective would be this. And the second objective is people can learn to innovate things. They can bring innovation around them. And both the targets are very meaningful for our nation, because it is the youth It is you people who can bring our country ahead for in so many fields where it is desired. Lot of problem statements from industries are before us, and if we start looking upon them, well, I would agree with Dr. Ranjan sir. The way he has explained what IIC cell is contributing at GNIOT, I must say, sir, IIC is directly connected to the development of nation, because every activity that is being done here in this cell through our students, our faculty members are ultimately going to work for our nation. So I congratulate the entire team of the organizers, and at the same I wish all the team a very good luck. Please try to learn maximally you can, because it is not only about participation, it is also about learning things around you. You'll have a good teamwork to do. You'll have a good, spirit in you that how things are going to be done. A mentor team is with you where you can discuss your problems. Mentor teams have been allocated to every section. They would guide you throughout how you have to work on your projects. And I think our students are bright. They would be definitely contributing quite good in this area. So wishing you all the best, and thanks a lot for giving me a opportunity to interact with you all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am, for nice words and information about the hackathon. Tiwari sir is available. Rajdev Tiwari sir. 18 sir. Tiwari
Sir.
sir is. Tiwari sir is.
No,
There or
sir.
not? No.
No, sir.
Okay,
He's-
because today Tiwari sir is not feeling well, so I think he is not available. Okay, so I would like to request Dr. Alok sir, HOD ME, to say few words.
Good afternoon, sir. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. R. Anranjan Mishra, Dean R&D Research and Development, for inviting me to say a few words or to inaugurate this hackathon. In this meeting, I would like to greet him for organizing this hackathon event, and me along with my several faculty members and about 5 teams are actively participating in this hackathon. And I have seen the list of the participating teams. There are many teams from CS and IT also, and the number of teams are much greater than our department and other core departments. I would like to congratulate them for participating in this event with such a vigor and diversified fields which they have chosen for this hackathon event are praiseworthy. So our 5 teams have basically, I would like to talk more of the mechanical engineering department. I am a mechanical engineer. So actually, I would like to give some brief introduction about me, although it is not required. I am a professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Some of the students may not be knowing me because I have newly joined in this institution. I am professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, also the head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering. I completed my MTech from Birla Institute of Technology and PhD from Malviya National Institute of Technology. And I have several research publications in the prestigious SCI journals. So I'm more interested, much interested in this research and development field and this hackathon and this project work of different kinds. So our 4-5 teams are with the topics on the electric vehicle, unmanned research and data collecting rover, electric vehicle, and one by Karan Sood also on the software development. I would like to welcome all these participating teams. Although not many of the teams have delivered their presentation. Maybe they will deliver their presentation tomorrow or day after tomorrow, because this is a 3-day hackathon. So I would request my mechanical engineering students to participate in this event with full vigor, just as their counterpart teammates or other teams or teams from other departments and try to perform well in this event and try to win in this event. And I wish best of luck to them. And this was for our team. And Dr. Anranjan sir is giving full cooperation to all the HODs, all the team members, all the participating teams, all the judges in holding this event. And above all, our director sir is the key. Dr. Rajesh Goyal in holding this event with the help of Dr. Anranjan sir, and he has just concluded his dynamic speech for this event. And then after that, Madam Shaili Garg, HOD Electronics, she gave a very good speech about this hackathon and encouraged the students to participate with full vigor. And she also guided how there are so many problem statements in the industry, and our IIC cell is the backbone of the nation, and it constitutes for the development of the nation. I fully agree with her and our director sir and Dr. Anranjan sir, who is the Dean Research and Development. And once again, I welcome all the participating teams and welcome them to participate in this event with full vigor. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Alok sir, for nice words and inspiring our students, our institute students. Yatin sir, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so whatever the rules and regulations for participation in the hackathon are already being sent to the students. Students, if you have any question, you may ask to me or Yatin sir regarding hackathon, or or department heads or the various coordinators. You may ask if you have any problem, right? So any questions from students?